Hey, I am coming to you as a brand new homeowner. You guys, it is done. We closed on the house yesterday, July 10th. It is official. We have the keys. We now own our first home. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, since the beginning of my channel, you know that owning a home was one of my dreams, and I've achieved it, you guys. It doesn't feel real to me. I'm so excited. I don't know what to say about it, but the process is done. I'm relieved to have it done, and now we basically just need to wait until we have to start paying the mortgage. The first mortgage is due September 1st. So yeah, it's gonna be, interesting to see just kind of how things play out with my budget for the remainder of the year. It's one thing to know that I'll have a mortgage and, be aware of it. It's another thing to actually be paying it. So yeah, just interesting things coming up for the remainder of the year, and I'm here for it, baby. Let's go. Second half of 2024, let's kick its butt, right? All right, so I did my change in rollover. We're gonna do a quick little cash stuffing today. I don't, have much to stuff, only a couple sinking funds and things like that. So this should be a really quick video. Wow, these ones are super duper crisp. I'm just putting the money together here so I could more easily count it. This is my rollover cash. And last time I stuffed my wallet, that was the last time that I gave myself, I think it was $280 for spending, and now starting this paycheck, it's going to be lower. So let's see what kind of rollover we have. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 128. And that's still a really nice amount. So what I always do with my rollover is I just set it aside, and I like to stuff that into savings challenges. So let's go ahead and get our budget planner out. This is my seasonal undated budget planner. It is available on Amazon. It is linked below in my description box. I do also have a more neutral black and white version, but this is the full color version. As you can see, each month has a different theme. It has budgeting pages, it has a calendar page, it has expense tracking, kind of all the things that you would need when you're budgeting. So in case you're in the market for a new planner, this is one that's available, and I can't believe I've been using this a while now. I started it in November, and every time I kind of flip it open and have to open it further in, it kind of amazes me how long I've been using this already. But I think I might even continue this, because even though I used November and December, this has 5 paycheck breakdowns per month. So I have extras here that I can use, the next go around. So I may continue this. I don't know. Maybe I'll come out with a new planner. Maybe I'll use the neutral one. I don't know. But this can be used for more than a year if you only get paid bi-weekly like I do. Technically, this can be used for probably 2 years. So it's a really good, value for your money. You can really use this for a long time. All right, enough chatting. Let's see what we're doing here. So, okay. Again, like I said, my cash envelopes are less now. So I, pulled back on the spending money just to make sure I could pay the mortgage and everything like that. So we're doing 120, 140, 150 in the wallet. So I need to grab some change. Let's see if I have any from my rollover here. 10, 15, 20. There we go. All right, so 150 for the wallet, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, and 50. So as usual, I stopped, separating my spending money out into cash envelopes. It really didn't matter for me to have the separate envelopes. So what I do is I just take all my spending money and just put it in the wallet. It's nothing fun or exciting or interesting, but that's the way I do it, and that's been working for me. So the wallet is done, and we're just doing 2 sinking funds this time. We're doing car maintenance and beauty. Car maintenance, I need an inspection this month. It is up in July, so I need to get that done, and so I wanted to bump up car maintenance a little bit. So we are adding $40 here, 20 and 40. We are using real cash because I will probably, just pay for it in real cash. So let's go ahead and add $40 here on my tracker. And let's see what we have right now. 50, 70, 90, 110, 125, 26, 27, 28, 29. 129. I think that should be enough for an inspection. So we'll just kind of see. And yes, some of this is fake money or prop money. So I'll either need to transfer it out of the savings or do a little switcheroo with some of my other envelopes. I will figure that out as it comes. So that is done. Car maintenance. And then just one more, you guys. Beauty is $30. I do have a massage, I think, I don't know, next weekend maybe. It's some weekend in July. And I do have a gift card for that, but I was saying I do need to re-up on some of my face products. Which I don't use a lot. I am not high maintenance with that stuff, and I'm lazy, so, I need kind of something I can stick to. And last time I was at the spa, I did get a facial, and they recommended some products. Of course, they're very expensive because they're at the spa, but what could you do? They have been working for me, so I do want to continue. But it's just an exfoliating face wash, toner, and a moisturizer. There was an additional thing. I forget exactly what it was. I did want to also pick that up, but it was literally $60 some. And with all the other stuff, I just couldn't. So maybe I can pick that up this time. I don't know. I do have a friend that works at the spa, and she did give me a little bit of a discount last time. So we'll see. I don't know. I hate to spend that amount of money, but it is working, so who knows. All right, so that's the last $30 in cash. And so now in beauty, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 15, 25, 125. And like I said, in addition to that, I do have the gift card in here. That is from my husband. So yay, that's it, you guys. This was a super duper short one. I hope you enjoyed it, though. Thank you so much for all of your support. Seriously, guys, without you all, I would never be a homeowner right now. Without the accountability, you guys helping me along the way, making sure I'm staying on budget and staying, diligent with my spending and things like that. Without your support of you watching my channel, your membership, and me getting a little bit of a paycheck every month, without your support of my Etsy shop and helping me pay down debt, I would not be anywhere close to being a homeowner. So really, honestly, yes, I put in the work, but also you guys just helped me so much, and I am just forever grateful. I just can't say enough, how just astonished I am that, about the level of support that I receive. So that's all I'll say, because you all know I'm not the greatest with my words. I am not an eloquent speaker by any means, but I hope you all know that I'm very thankful for you. I love my little YouTube fam. I love chatting, getting on here, filming videos, having lives, all the things. And so, yeah, I am going to try to get to the house today to film a walkthrough, because I want to start working on it, you guys. So look out for that next week. This video will air, I think, tomorrow, Friday the 12th, and then we'll have savings challenges, and then we'll have a couple house videos. So, yay! All right, stay tuned. Thank you again for watching. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Okay, that's actually not it. It's been so long that I came back and say I forgot something, and I didn't technically forget, but that did become my thing for a while. But I am looking here at my budget, and remember I had said I was going to put $1,000 back in my savings right off the bat, and we're going to do part of that. I didn't want to make it a separate video because it would probably be short. I didn't want to tack it on to the savings challenge video because that video is usually a little bit longer. So we're going to just do it right here, right now, because this cash stuffing is really short. Okay. So out of this paycheck, $351 of the mortgage money is going to be restuffed back into savings. And it's a weird amount because at first I just did half of the mortgage, $500. But then I realized I had to pay the water bill with this paycheck because it is due before I get paid again. So I had to take the water bill, subtract it from the $500 I was paying towards the mortgage, and then put that amount in the next paycheck. Hopefully that makes sense. So we're doing $351, and here's what we're gonna do. I unstuffed about $2,000 to put towards the remainder of the closing costs that I needed for the house. I did not film it. I was going to film it, but I didn't. I had so many videos at the time in the lineup. I just thought, let me do it myself, and yeah. So about $2,000 I unstuffed. I only ended up needing like $1,600. I have everything written down. So I already put back what I didn't need. So like, again, I unstuffed about $2,000. It was a little over $400 that I didn't need. So I already restuffed that. Most of the money I took right out of here. It was around $1,000. I took right out of here because this is where I have the most money. I took some, or I think all of the money out of my 1K challenge again. I unstuffed that. Because again, that's just something that I had a bunch of money in. So there's nothing in there right now. And then I took even some money from Penelope. And so I just want to get things kind of, you know, bumped back up. So we're going to start with this. This is a super important savings for me. This is Christmas. This is my Christmas money. If I don't save this up, I don't have money to spend for Christmas and I'll go into debt. Okay. So $351. So here's what we're going to do. And I'll show you kind of what I did. I just put IOUs in everything, just to let myself know, you know, how much I took specifically from that envelope. Now, another thing I did, which I also was going to film and I didn't, because I thought it would be boring, is I kind of consolidated the binder a little bit. So I had a bunch of challenges in here that were finished. I took them out and I put all the cash in just one main envelope instead of flipping through a bunch of challenges that just say fully funded. There's really no purpose behind that. So I took those out. I put the money here in a main envelope, and I added some new challenges. I added everything up. My goal for Christmas is $2,000, and I was around $400 short. So what I did was I just added in some new challenges in here, and I will begin working on these. So let's do this. Let's take $351, because again, that is how much I have to stuff in here. And I'm going to pull the money here out of my prop money box, and we're going to just stuff it back in each envelope. I can't just pull $351 out because I have them separated into envelopes per challenge. So I do need to do it this way until the challenges are finished, and then they can go into like this main envelope here, if that makes sense. So this one is $85. This money box is really tight. I have a lot of money in it right now because I have no money in my binders. So I'm sorry about the camera shaking. All right, so 50, 70, 80, and 5. And in fact, I actually can't even fit all my prop money in this box right now because it is so tight. So 50, 70, 80, 5. So we're going to take off this IOU and we're going to subtract 85. I hope this is making sense to you, what I'm doing here. That was just the easiest way for me to do it and still kind of know what the heck I did. All right, so 140 here. So 100. And 40, so let's take this one off and subtract 140. So we have 126 left. No, this is not going to be finishing, you know, paying back every IOU, but it's definitely a start. So this one's 87. And then this one is, ooh, that's a big one, 253. All right, so minus 87. So we have $39 left. Let me pull the 87. 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. And these 50s, like, I don't use a whole lot of 50s, so I'm down to the parts that don't have stickers on them, and I do need to get stickers on these, but I am definitely not getting up to grab those right now. So let's pull that off. That one is done. And then I have $8 here in the front, but that's, I'm not going to worry about that. The next is this big one, 253. So we have 39 left. So let me pull 39. 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Let me pop that in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 253 minus 39, and my IOU is now 214. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. So let me erase this and add 214. These little magnetic bookmarks are available in my shop. They are, as you can see, wipeable so that you could reuse them, but they just, you know, they just clip on. I do have Christmas ones as well. So that's what I did there. We're done. I just wanted to show you all that. And now that 300 and what was it? 351, I will just, you know, deposit right into my savings account from my paycheck. And the Christmas binder is on its way to being paid back. Yes. Okay. That is really it. I love you guys. I will see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.